The Sumner-Bonney Lake School District is a special place, and when you can see that love in action, you don't want to be any other place.
I really think that the traditions that we have here are extremely powerful. We strike a really good balance between growing and changing our traditions, developing new ones, and still honoring the people who have come through these halls before us.
We are a premier school district in Washington State, and it's because of the incredible teaching that happens every day, and because of the families and the community that wrap their arms around our kids all the time. To continue funding the strong academic programming that we have in our buildings currently, we rely on those taxpayer dollars. Our levy funds special education, campus safety officers, who our students love and rely on every day, just like our counselors. And we're seeing an increased need in mental health. Our taxpayers trust us to create strong programs that graduate kids.
I know for me personally, I came in here as a freshman and I found what I wanted to be.